In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Claude AI cache. If Claude has been feeling slow, glitchy, or not behaving as expected, clearing the cache is a quick, safe way to refresh the app without changing your content in the cloud. The cache is just a collection of temporary files that help the app load faster. But over time, those files can get out of date or corrupted. Refreshing them often fixes odd behavior and improves performance. Start by opening the Claude application on your device. Once it's open, look to the top left corner of the screen for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that icon to open the side menu. From there, find and select Help. This section is designed for support and fixes, so it's the right place to be when you are troubleshooting. Inside Help, click Troubleshooting. This will take you to the tools you need to get the app back on track. Next, choose Clear Cache and Restart. This option tells Claude to remove those temporary files and immediately relaunch itself. If you see a brief prompt, go ahead and confirm. The app will close on its own and reopen automatically. When Claude comes back up, it will have a fresh set of temporary files. This process does not delete your account, your conversations stored in the cloud, or your main settings. It simply clears locally stored, temporary data that might be causing hiccups. After the restart, give the app a moment to settle. Then try the action that was giving you trouble. In many cases, issues like slow loading, unresponsive buttons, or display quirks resolve right away. If things look and feel normal again, you are all set. If issues persist, return to the same troubleshooting menu and use the Reset App Data option. This is a deeper refresh intended for stubborn problems. Be aware that resetting app data clears local preferences and any temporary customizations. And it may sign you out so you can start clean. Your cloud-based content remains safe, but you'll likely need to reconfigure basic settings afterward. With these tools, you can quickly restore smooth performance and get back to work with minimal downtime. Thanks for watching.